Hello my friends, my name is Yuri and today we will speak about weekly market overview. We are starting our webinar. Please write into the chat about do you hear me correctly? Write Yuri sound is good. I hear you good and see everything. Write please into the chat that. I also would like to check it. Okay, good. Friends, please write into the chat that you hear everything and you see everything. Guys and girls, please write it. Now we are waiting for other people ready. Hi, nice to see you here. And what we will do today? We will check major currency pairs, gold, oil and indexes. I will show you best places where you can open entries. I would explain you why you can do it. That's why those who will listen me and do all my recommendation will be able to listen me really and do accurate entries. For me, it's important to understand if you hear me correctly. I need to know it. Okay, good, good. It's nice to see that everyone of you is that everyone of you see me. Okay, friends. Okay, I don't know how to set up camera. I will check it in next time because I don't know how to turn on a camera, and I'll do it next time. Believe me. Okay, first start. Once more, tell me please. Do you see my screen? See my screen? We will start. Right, please, Yuri. Yes, I see your screen. I hear you. Let's go. Friends, write please it into the chat that Yuri, I hear you, I see your screen, and let's go. Or just write, let's go. Good job. Good. Friends, please write into the chat, let's go. If you hear me and see me and see my screen. Only one let's go, it's not enough. Let's go, okay? Once more, please. Guys, come on, you can do it. Let's go. Okay, now we can start. Go, go, go. Good. First, we will speak about currency pairs. I will show you. Okay, it's my trading platform. You see that we trade gold today and I wait on a pullback. First, we will do major currency pair. After that, gold and oil. If you have some instruments which you would like me to analyze, write it into the chat and I'll do it. Okay, let's go. First, Euro USD. Friends, price is bouncing from this key level on daily chart. 3 daily candles bounced from it. If be honest, huge possibility of continued down drop, and what you can do best will be if price will come back again, you can open accurate sell entry. About Euro USD. Also, as take a look on this downward channel and take a look on this mirror level from which price bounced. Here bounced and bounced here. The few chance it will continue down drop. Also write into the chat what instruments you would like me to analyze right now. Write it. Friends, I need to see that you are with me on this webinar, because if you want to me to do it very often, I would like to see that you are really here. And right now, please push like and go on. Euro British pound already dropped down average daily move. At this moment it's not wise to open a sell at current price. Take a look on this level from which price bounced several times. First time here, second here. If be honest, there is no accurate place where you can open entry. Price can drop, there is no key level. The same stuff here on Euro British pound. There's some possibility of pullback from this level. What after that can happen? Price can make a pullback into this area, and from this area you can open new buy. Huge chance Euro British pound will rise up to such area, nearly to this level or even to this, and only after that will continue down drop. Better to pay attention on the British pound versus Japanese yen. As you see, this instrument came back to this key level from which price bounced 2 times, and price at this moment broke it down, broke it down. And what I wait here, if there will be if daily candle will close above it, it will be false breakout on daily chart, and it will be a really powerful signal to open buy entry with low risk. That's why wait for one daily candle confirmation. If it will happen, you will have accurate buy with goal in 5 times bigger at least. XTI, yes, we will do. Of course, we will do gold, we will do silver, we will British pound already did, British pound, Japanese yen did, Nasdaq 100. Yes, we will do indexes, and oil also we will do. Friends, push like. Don't forget to push like. At this moment, don't open entry, because if price will break it down and close in such area, that will be a signal to continue down drop. Wait where this daily candle will close. It will, if it will close something like here, after pulling back to this level, we will open sell entry to continue down drop. Similar stuff on Euro Japanese yen. Price can continue down drop, but on Euro Japanese yen, so close this key level, and if price will hit this key level, I wait on reaction how price will hit it. If there will be fails breakout, it will be good place to open entry. Pay attention on this 115.85. Yes, I'll do British pound, Australian dollar, and Bitcoin also. Friends, right place is into the chart. Is it clear for you? Maybe you have some instruments, maybe sometimes I need to speak slowly. If there's something, just write it please into the chat. Okay, let's go. I would like to draw a T. Good, so tasty. Pay attention on this level. New Zealand, as you see, price broke up this downward channel, and if there will be some pullback, you can open buy. Friends, on instruments which is not really interesting, I will not pay a lot of attention. I will stay on instruments which is clear. As you see, Canadian dollar, do you see this trend line? And what can I tell you? The chance price will continue uprise, can make a high of this level, but I spoke before, so I wrote an idea. I remember that best to open buy near here, or no, I sent it to my VIP signals to VIP members, because I remember VIP members guys asked me about Canadian dollar. Okay, go on. Swiss franc also, as you see, price bounced from this powerful mirror level. There is no entry currently. Japanese yen dropped down from this place, Japan's yen, better will be to open sell after pullback. If pullback will happen, you can open sell. Why? Gold is totally bullish. With such case, Japan's yen will be good to sell. Where you can open sell nearly this key level 107.66 will be good place to open accurate sell with stop loss above it. Huge probability price will hit this area. And now we will pay more attention about gold, because believe me, gold far more interesting than other instruments. That's why your voice is good for me and screen too good. It's good. It's so good. Pay more attention on gold. As you see, I set my buy limit. Also today I closed such profit, and that entry I sent to my VIP members. As you see, VIP members, I sent a signal, gold buy at stop loss, and I did all updates here, and you can see how many people made money with me. A few seconds, where is it? Today, because I want to show you that gold, as you see, those people, everyone who is in VIP group made money with me. Huge possibility gold will retest this area, and after that will continue up price. I close this buy. When I opened this entry, my stop loss was 25 pips, and I took in 2.6 times bigger than I was in risk. That means if price will come back, even if price will hit my stop loss, I will be in profit. I put 70% of my profit in this new risk, new deal, and if price will hit it, I will hold buy till before this key level. Why? With huge probability, if we open daily chart, gold will continue uprise. Take a look on this range, and price made false breakout of this range on weekly chart. You see this weekly candle. With huge probability, price hit this area, and after that will continue uprise. Why it's not wise to open buy at current price? Because you should set stop loss here. It will be 110 pips. And also gold rose up 221 pips today. And take a look on volatility index. The one stuff which you need to learn how to use in trading. Volatility, Forex volatility. And take a look, gold average daily move 230 pips, and price already rose up 220, let's count it, 220, delete, and 200. Yes, price rose up 95% of its average daily move. That's why you can count probability of price to continue uprise. That's why I closed buy, and best will be to open buy after pullback. Why I think only about buy? Because price in this range and huge probability to continue uprise. With huge probability, price will do something like this. First wave up, there could be something like this. Second wave up. It technically it will be really accurate picture. Friends, write into the chat if you have some questions about gold. Write please if you have some questions about gold. Write please if you have some questions about gold. Also push like if you think what you just heard was really useful for you. Come on guys, just write into the chat that yes, it was useful. No, Yuri, no offense, but it's not useful. I'm going out and go to sleep. Friends, I am waiting for your comment into the chat. Yes, we will do oil after that. Please wait. For me, it's clear. Awesome. Take on. It's really helped me. It's useful. You're welcome, friends. You are welcome. It's good to hear it. Also, just friends, push like and we can go on. Great analysis. Thanks for your feedback, and we can go on. About gold, this is my recommendation. About silver price, as you see, price bounce from this level, and what you can do now, you can open buy also after pullback, because with huge probability gold and silver will move together. Gold is totally bullish, that's why silver with huge probability will continue uprise. My recommendation, after some pullback to some area, something like this, open buy with stop loss 20 pips and potential profit set at least 1 to 4. And now let's speak about oil, because oil far more interesting than silver. Oil is close to these historical lows, this one and this one, and huge chance price will continue drop down to this level. And what you can do, nearly this level, you can open accurate entry with low risk. If be honest, friends, what will be the best to open entry near this level on a pullback. For example, price hits this level, make false breakout, and you open accurate buy and take at least 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Similar situation is on UK oil. If price will hit this previous low, it will be the most accurate place where you can open entry with low accurate risk. That's why I totally recommend to all of you wait for that entry, wait for that place. Because many of you can ask, can I sell right now? If be honest about sell, there is no accurate place for sell. You can open sell, but where will be your risk? Your risk will be at least 150 pips, and down we have 260. You will not get even 1 to 2. It's not worth that risk. What is the best place to open another buy at gold? I just told about buy, and you after this webinar you can see it again where you can open entry on gold. And also friends, I would like to speak about Bitcoin and some other instrument. Bitcoin with huge possibility will continue uprise to this key level 8,800. Nearly this level will be the most accurate place where you can open sell entry. Why nearly this level? I can show you one pattern in trading which works pretty well. It is here on New Zealand Swiss franc. First time when price hit such level which stopped drop, on first time price bounced from it. Similar situation is on BTC, and with huge possibility price will bounce from it. That's why you can set alert, and if price will hit it, open accurate sell with potential reward at least 1 to 10. Okay, friends, write into the chat, is it clear? Do you hear me? Write please it into the chat. Okay, let's go. And other instruments which you need to see, and also take a look on index. Nasdaq, where is it? Nasdaq. Nasdaq dropped down, and it looks like it will continue drop down, and best will be after some pullback up, open sell entry. As you see on the chart, gold is rising, indexes is dropping. It's really good technical picture. because when for example some of instrument rise, some drop, it's not good. At this moment it really works good together. That's why all American indexes after pull back up you can open sell. Friends, please write to BTC. I just talked about BTC. What if going up without? What if it goes without coming back? What do you mean about Bitcoin? BTC. Can we take long or wait? Ready. I told you accurate place where you can open entry with low risk. You can do what you want. Places which I'm showing to you must be is clear, and nearly that levels you can open entry with low risk. Yes, price can go without coming back, but what will be your risk if you will open entry at current price? That is far more important question which you need to ask yourself all the time. What is my risk in position? Only after that you need to think about your potential profit. Very clear. Friends, write please, is there any instrument which you would like to see? I remember about British pound, Australian dollar. Let's do it. British pound versus Australian dollar. If be honest, here also price, as you see in such accumulation, price is not nearly key level. There could be only one stuff. As you see here is key level from which price bounced many times. What could be good? If daily candle will close in such area after pull back up, you can open sell entry. Only that will be the best option for you. Friends, please write into the chat all your questions on Shopify. Is it stuck? Please, if it's stuck, I can take a look. Also, friends, don't forget that we have VIP trading chat where I send all entries which I open on my personal account with stop loss and take profits. Also, such all entries, all ideas I trade on my account, 150,000 account. It's real account, Axie Trader. And you can check a statistic here. Here is one of our statistic. You can check it here in our Bico Trading News and Ideas. You can find it here. This is my 1 month statement. 1 month ago I opened public statement. Also I have 2 year statement on 100,000 British pounds. You can open it, as you see it's real link. Also you can open here Yuri Bishko, and you can see another account here with that it's a bigger account with risk with 150,000 on account. That's why right now you can write to ask below for video. You will find a contact. You should use them because today and tomorrow you have special offer. Just write to Valerie that I saw a webinar and Yuri told about special offer, and just ask Valerie and she will send you all information. You can check here. Write to me. Here is our number and a link. This is what you can use. Okay. Friends, is there any instruments which you would like to see? Shopify. Okay, Shopify. Nice. We are searching at current time on Shopify. Take a look. Always when you open a chart, before you need to take a look on daily chart. Only after that you will understand something what to do. Take a look what happened from 2019. Price rose up dramatically. Price rose up 238%. And what is estimate? Take a look. Earnings, and earnings. Price. This company don't make money. Only estimate. This company is losing money, but price of stock is rising. It's like Uber or Tesla. It's really sometimes interesting to read it. With huge possibility, price will continue down drop because there is no earnings. What I would recommend, if there will be some pullback into such area, you can open short on this stock because there is no earning, there is no dividends, and price just rising. If you are a stock trader, I recommend to you to write a report. If price just rising because of speculative reason, and there is no real capital in that company which rising, for example, some manufacturers, factories, if they don't have it, better to open short for long term, especially after such a huge uprise from 2016. Price from IPO, price rose up 1345%, and this company didn't pay dividends. This company didn't pay dividends. You need to pay attention on it. Can you tell me about the British pound average, if you please? Maybe you can share in your training. Yuri, maybe you can sharing your trading experience for a newbie like me. I'm doing it right now. What exactly are you looking for? Also, on our YouTube channel, we have free webinars which I recorded. First, it is False Breakout, is our system, and you can take it for free. Before you ask about some free experience, you should check what we have, and after that you can ask something else. Thanks for looking on that. Right, please. Was it really useful for you? What I just told? Friends, write please into the chat your question about instruments. It's done, and if you don't have questions, we will finish. Also, you can write your recommendation. You can write your feedback right now about what you think about our webinar, and also write to us about VIP signal service or education. Friends, please be active. Just right now, push like. Right now, push like. Write to me, Yuri, thank you, it was really good, or Yuri, I just waste my time. No offense, but I go out. Please write it into the chat, and it will be really useful for me, and it will be really pleasure to read it, because this webinar is free for you. And guys, come on. It is a software company that supports payment. Yes, it could be good company, but far more important to find what is their profits, because take a look on Tesla. Tesla. Tesla Incorporated. And take a look. Price IPO $200, and take a look price. Take a look. They didn't have earnings. 1 quarter in a profit. 2 quarters in a profit. They had only 2 quarters in a profit. Take a look on these earnings. On this horrible earnings. On this horrible. And their price rose up from 2013 because the only one reason, because the Elon Musk, who represent company really pretty good and speak a lot about it. But if we speak about really accurate trading price, I we don't know is a company worth of this price. You need to open a statement, you need to write how much their manufacturing cost, how much customers do they have some regular payments. Only in that case you can build some probability will company rise. Thanks is good, Yuri. I like it. I'm shorting it, but been losing on later if it's increased. So I wanted to see your point of view, and you agree. So it was very helpful and real. Okay, you're welcome. Yes, I think I will do one webinar per week for free, where I will do a market overview and will answer on all your questions. That's why right now I recommend to all of you subscribe on YouTube channel, turn on notification, and when I will do it again, you will get notification about webinar. Friends, thank you for your time. Let's go to trade and see you soon. Bye.